Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a strawberry. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to draw the side of the strawberry first, coming down like this, and then back up around here. This is a really long line, so take your time. Over and down. This is the outside shape of the strawberry. And back up and around. And we'll stop right about there, and we'll leave the opening here on the top so we can draw the top of the strawberry, which is the where it's connected to the plant. So it's the little green leaves on top, almost like a hat on top of the strawberry. So starting right here, we're going to do a loopy line back like this, around and back. And then we'll do another one here, around this way, and then back where we started, and then back like this. And then right here in the middle, top of the strawberry, we'll do a leaf down like this, and back up. And now, right where that ended, we'll do another one over here around like this. And then right here, another one that goes across this line, like this. And now let's draw the stem, up and around, back down. It's almost like his hair, the strawberry's hair or hat. Okay, now let's draw the face on the strawberry. We'll start by the mouth, and right in the middle here, we're going to do a smiley line that's curved up like this, and we'll do two little cheek lines on the sides, and we'll have the mouth be open, so we'll do open mouth down like this. So curve it down and back around. And now let's draw the tongue line across the middle, and we'll color it in black inside the mouth like that. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. One eye here, so we're going to do a circle right here. And a circle right here. And now let's draw some highlights in those eyes. So it's a smaller circle inside of that circle on both eyes like that. And let's color it in black to really make those eyes pop. And now let's draw some little seeds on the strawberry around. And they're little ovals. So starting over here, we'll do one there, and one here, one here. It's all over the strawberry. You know, the strawberry is one of the only fruits that has seeds on the outside, not on the inside. All over, wherever you want to put them. All right, that looks pretty good. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm gonna make my strawberry red, but you can make yours any color you want. Be sure not to color in the seeds. We're going to make those yellow after I'm done coloring red. And we'll make the strawberries' leaves green. Even the stem is green. And let's make the tongue pink. And we'll make the seeds yellow. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye!